So find the start of the maze. It's right here. And I'm going to ask you some questions. This particular series, is it arithmetic or geometric? Geometric. And is it finite or infinite geometric? Finite, because it's asking you to add up to 7 terms. Okay, so come down here. Sum equals, and the finite geometric is this one, the regular one, which is first term times r to the n minus first term over r minus 1. First term is -3. R is -5. N is 7. And then minus -3 over -5 minus 1. Okay. -3, -5 to the 7 plus 3, enter, divided by -6, enter, -39,063. Okay, do you guys all see my use of parentheses? Do you see that I did not make this n minus 1 for some weird reason? I just made it n. And do you see that I hit enter and then divided by the bottom and hit enter? And I'm saying these things to you after grading your quizzes. That's why I'm saying these things. Okay, so come back up here. La, 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 la. Okay, now the whole point of me helping you was to get to this one. Okay, so this one. Arithmetic or geometric? Geometric. Infinite or finite geometric? Finite. It doesn't have an infinity symbol in it. But this one's a little spicy. Sum equals. Okay, now the first term is not 5. Okay, that's actually a lie. The first term is 5, but this particular one is telling you to start at 2. So I have to plug 2 in to get my first term. So actually, don't do that. Put a 2. So for my sum, it's telling me don't start your sum at the first term, start your sum at term 2. To get term 2, I plug 2 in for, what is that letter? Is that X? They used an X? Okay, okay. So term 2 is 5 times 1/3, because 2 minus 1 is 1, and 5 times 1/3 is 5/3. Okay, so I have 5/3 times R is 1/3. Okay, now this is the big question. What is n? And it is not 7. Okay, what you do is you count on your fingies and you go count from 2 to 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many numbers are between 2 and 7, including 2? 6. Okay, looks scary. Don't worry. 5/3 times 1/3 to the 6 minus 5/3. Enter. divided by 1/3 minus 1. Notice I put that in parentheses. I'm too lazy to figure out what that is in my head. I guess I could. 1/3 minus 3/3 is -2/3. It's not a big deal. Okay, and I get this gross thing, and then I'm gonna go math, enter, enter. Oh, deliciously wonderful reduced fraction. 1,820 over 720. Okay. I think the rest of them are doable from there. Okay, flip the page over. This is the second part of what we're doing, and this part is actually much easier than the previous part. We're going to do three problems together. We're going to do A, H, no, I'm such a liar. A, N, and H. Okay, we're going to start with A. E to the X equals 7. This problem is so easy, it's hard. The children, they just stare at it. They're like, I have no idea what to do. What you're supposed to do is squirrel in the tree problem, log both sides, put the exponent in front, like we did yesterday. It's just that it's so easy, it looks complicated. So x times natural log of e equals natural log of 7. So remember, when you're logging both sides, if there's an e in the problem, you want to use natural log, not plain log. Why? Because natural log and e cancel. X equals natural log of 7. What's the natural log of 7? 1.9. Oh, it says nearest thousand, so that's 3 decimals. 1.946. Okay, now go up into the the riddle up here, and find any answers that are 1.946 and put the letter A in those spots. Oh man, did we knock out 3 of them with one problem? Sweet. Okay, now find letter N. Okay, and we haven't condensed anything into a single logarithm in a long time. So I'm going to help you do that. Okay, condense as a single logarithm. The first thing you do is you take the exponents and put them back. So this is what you would get at the end if the exponents had gone to the front. Now we're putting them back. So natural log 3 to the 7th minus natural log 81 to the 1/2. Okay, now quick question. Does anybody know what 81 to the 1/2 power is? Yes. 9. Beautiful. So natural log 3 to the 7th minus natural log of 9. Remember, a half exponent is just a square root. Okay, and now you say, all right, it's subtraction. Subtraction is division. Did you forget it was CPT? Okay. Hmm. Oh, cripes. I didn't finish it. Hold on. It's not done yet. 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 Not done yet. Okay. Okay, this is so dumb. Just forget all the things I said. I just made that way harder than I needed to. There we go. There we go. Sorry. I went all like calculus on there. Okay, is that one an option? Yes, okay. Only one? Ah. Okay. All right, now go to R, please. I screwed up. H is much easier than R. Nope. The eight is only on the X. You have to split it into two first and then make it plus X to the eight and then put the eight in front. Anyway, okay. R. Sorry, here we go. Okay. This problem, I'm hoping you noticed it's plus and you went in your brain and you're like, plus is times, which is great. Except for that, that's not really the first step in this one. This one's extra spicy. The reason it's extra spicy is because ln2 has a number in front. So before we do anything, we have to put that back in the exponent. That's a plus. Okay. Now I have plus. So I'm going to condense to one logarithm. So natural log of 8 times x minus 9 equals natural log of 32. Okay, a couple of things. Do you guys see my parentheses for distributive property? And 2 to the 5th is 32. Okay, now you say to yourself, is it loop-de-loop or cross out? Cross out. And then I think you have it from there. Okay. Those are the problems I wanted to demo for you. Real quick, we were just talking about H over here in this group because this group is just amazingly wonderful. And what I wanted to point out is that the 8 is not on both of these things. The 8's just on the X. So you have to break it apart like this first, and then put the exponent in front. Just a quick note there.